Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Outlook contacts with iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Passwords and Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Choose Microsoft Exchange from the list of options. Enter your email address and a description for the account. Tap Next. You will be prompted to enter your password. Once entered, tap Next again. Your iPhone will attempt to find the Exchange settings. If prompted, enter additional settings like username and domain details. Once connected, toggle the Contacts option to enable syncing. Tap Save to finish setting up the account. Return to the home screen and open the Contacts app. Allow a moment for your Outlook contacts to sync. Check to ensure all your contacts are visible in the app. If necessary, repeat the process to adjust any settings. Enjoy easy access to your Outlook contacts on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.